Okay guys, let's unbox this Belgian donut. Wow, I love the packaging. Super nice. Ilang laman ito? Let's check. Wow. Ooh. Grabe, may cover pa sa loob. Oh my gosh! So cutie! Wow! Ilan kaya? Oh my god! They're so cute! Look at that, guys! Oh my gosh! Ah, it's 2 layers, probably 3 layers. There's more over there. Wow! Look at that. Oh, it's really 3 layer. There's even more. Oh my god, guys. Mayroon pa isa. Wow. 3 ang laman. Akalain mo? Diyos ko. Ang liit na. Tingnan, pero tingnan nyo ang laman, guys. Wow. Okay. Now it's time for judgment. Guys, let's try ito. Parang same lang sila ng parang same lang sila ng flavor. 4 na flavor, kaya lang siya. 3 siya sa isang cute na box. Pero ang cute nila. Ito yung snack ko, guys. Wow. Diyos ko, ang sarap. Okay. Ito, masarap. Next. Parang siya? Caramel. Caramel sa caramel dito. White chocolate dito. Oh my gosh. Ito. Oh my god. Super chocolate. Ito. Akala ko donut na donut chocolate pala. Ang cute. Lahat masarap. Last, some sprinkles. Ang sarap nila. Ang sarap, Diyos ko Lord. Ibabalik ko na naman sila, guys, kasi tapos na sila test. Oh my god. The best pang gift. Ito kaya ibigay ko dito sa sa mga friends ko dito sa Norway. Ang galing. Super sarap, guys. Okay. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe and See you to my next vlog, on Friday morning. Bye for now.